All right, today I just want to share a quick tip with you that's going to help us help you if you're working in iGEMS and you've got a program and maybe it's a little complicated or it's a feature that you haven't used before and you get stuck, you hit a roadblock. So a lot of times if you're on the phone with our application engineers or our support team, they're going to ask you to send them the file. So what they're referring to typically is the IGEMS support file. We head over to the IGEMS menu here, save as, this little life preserver icon is the support file. So we can save this as this .isf file extension. Now that's important. The .isf file, in addition to including all the geometry that you see on screen here, is also going to have your machine postprocessor, any machine parameters, your material library, or any of that background setup information that may be unique to your particular installation. So that really helps us troubleshoot and figure out, where the issue is or what we need to tell you to do to kind of move past whatever you're struggling with to get this program completed. So if you're already on the phone with tech support, go ahead and just email that ISF file directly to them. If you're opening a new ticket, you can head over to the website, up to the support icon here, request a service, FlexJet, and then you can type in a little bit of information here and just attach that ISF file directly into the intake form here. So just wanted to share that quick tip with you. If you want to stay up to date on more content like this, hit that like and subscribe button below or follow us on any of our normal socials, such as LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, all the normal places. All right. Thanks.